It's me, Lucas, and it's been a while since I uploaded any YouTube video, and especially any vlog. So I thought I would do it, and because I need views and attention, I thought I would do what a lot of YouTubers do right now. I will open my mystery box. For those who don't know, there is a new trend on YouTube going on where YouTubers or stupid people like myself go on eBay and buy mystery box. And what is mystery box? Mystery box is basically something that you other smart people don't want. You put them in a box and you sell them for money. And stupid people like us buy them and make a video about that. Anyway, I bought my mystery box on eBay, but I bought them on eBay and the box, it's Amazon box. Hello? So, shut up Lucas, and let's get right to it. I will open my mystery Amazon. It's not Amazon, it's a mystery box. Ouch. I am expecting big things from this box because as you can see, this box is big and so it's pretty light and I'm scared. I'm actually scared. What's inside? Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Don't tell me it's real. It's so fucking creepy. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for the end. I don't wanna. Not now. Let's take the safe thing. An Xbox controller. No, I don't play games. Thanks a lot. Okay. Football. That's something maybe. It is a lot of paper in there. Headphones. Great, from a Virgin Atlantic. Which are like free. Oh. Gucci. Please be sunglasses in there, please be sunglasses in there, please be sunglasses in there. It's an empty, old Gucci glasses thing. Cover. Very, yeah. Shoe lenses. Right, that's what I needed. So far, the only valuable thing could be this controller if it's working. Oh, Primark gift card. Probably empty, or maybe not. We shall see. Fuck is that? This is what I do not like to look at. Oh, that's disgusting. It smells so bad. It smells so bad. It smells so bad. Oh, I don't wanna. Oh my god, that's so fucking weird. Why are you so fucking weird? Well, I'm the one who bought it. I hope that what I'm about to show you now, it's not real. Because if I can't even talk, I can't speak. The fuck is that? Okay, it's not real, obviously, but. It looks real. Okay, go back in there. What else? Oh, another mystery box. Mystery box in a mystery box. Thank you so much. You know me so well. I use that a lot. I need that. I need that. Like, never. Another thing, there's a lot of dust on it. Glasses. I don't want to put it on. That's disgusting. I have no idea who was wearing those glasses, and I do not want that person's germs on my ears. Thank you. Plastic cuffs, yeah. That's 100 quid, 100 pounds. People, what the fuck? Where's the fucking 100 pounds? Gucci googles. These Gucci googles. No. Last thing. Mystery envelope. Oh my god. What the fuck? I can't. Yeah. The fuck? I don't even know if I can show it on a video, like for you to see what's in there. But like, it's a body part. Like, it's a body part. It's a male body part. Oh my god, why? And it's small. Double wide. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you, but it's so now. If you want to see it, you see it. If you don't want to see it, if you don't want to see what's coming up, turn it off. Now, stop watching. It's not my fault, okay? I'm warning you. You want to see it, okay? Oh my god, it's the fucking dildo. It's a fucking used. What the fuck? Anyway. Oh my god, why did I spend 100 quid for that? This is what stupid, desperate people like myself do for YouTube views. Thank you so much for watching this pointless, stupid, useless video. Do not buy a mystery box. Because if you buy a mystery box, you are stupid. You are stupid. We are stupid. I am stupid. You are stupid. And people who sell those mystery boxes are geniuses. Like, they're really smart. They put trash they don't want in a box and send them to stupid people for money. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna go and throw everything away, because I don't, especially this hand and that dildo is something, well, I will use that later. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, if you would like to see more of this face, please click the subscribe button. I'm new to making stuff like that. I'm not new, I'm old. Please support me, don't, yes. And maybe you would, yeah, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, share, don't, yeah, okay, thank you very much, and yeah, bye.